In this video, we will show you our manual transmission mock-up process. Here you can see Cody applying paint stripper to the bell housing in preparation to remove the paint. We do this to ensure a level and consistent mating surface to the engine. Once the paint stripper has had time to work, Cody scrapes off the paint and uses an air tool to clean the surface with a Scotch-Brite pad. Here you can see Cody is installing the pilot bearing in the rear of the crankshaft. Now it's time to install the engine block plate. And now the flywheel. Be sure the holes are lined up correctly and apply red Loctite to the bolts for safe and secure tightening. Once all of the flywheel bolts are installed, Cody will snug them up before torquing to spec. While torquing the flywheel bolts, it is recommended that you start with a crisscross pattern to ensure a proper fit. Then one more time around to make sure none were missed. Cody is sure to test fit the clutches to make sure all teeth and grooves are clean and free of debris. Pro tip, since the ARP bolts come with oil on them, clean with paint thinner to make sure they are clean and the Loctite works as intended. Now Cody is installing the clutch plates with an alignment tool to ensure all teeth are aligned properly after install. All bolts are installed and snugged down before torquing to spec. Once all bolts have been installed and snugged, Cody will torque all bolts to spec, once again starting off in a crisscross pattern. Now Cody installs the pressure plate and all washers and nuts. As you can see, Cody is moving the alignment tool in and out while tightening the pressure plate to ensure a smooth operation for the customer once installed in their ride. Now back to the bell housing that Cody applied another coating of paint stripper to the other side and let sit to work while installing the flywheel and clutches. Now he can go back and prepare the other side for installation. After applying Loctite to the bell housing bolts, they are installed and snugged down before torquing.
It's just water. Yeah.
Here Cody is measuring the distance from the pressure plate fingers to the outside of the bell housing. Then he measures from the transmission surface to the front of the bearing to help calculate the correct spacers to use with the throwout bearing. Now it's time to hoist the transmission into place for a final test fit. After installation on the big Hemi, the transmission is then lowered on the pallet in preparation for shipping. The transmission will be bolted down next to the engine, and all additional parts will be screwed to the inside of the crate for a safe and secure trip to its new owner. All of these steps ensure proper fit and function for the end user.